In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to start affiliate marketing with no audience at all. And the best part is, you could be making money in less than a week with this method. Just to prove you that I'm not making this up, here is one of the affiliate programs that I've been promoting using this method. I was able to go from $0 to $71,000 in commission. And the best part is, I only put in few hours of work to get those commission. Step 1, finding the right affiliate program that you want to promote using this method. This is very important. Now, which digital products you want to promote, looking at different niches. If you have niche, fine. If you don't, you can head over to Google and actually do a search and find out exactly which niches are profitable in this year. So profitable niches in 2023, and here you have all kind of blogging from bloggers who are putting out the blogging for different niches that you want to promote, which are most profitable. Pick any of them that you are interested in. Gotta love those bloggers. By the way, shameless plug, I also have a blogging website. You might want to head over there after watching this video, utilizeyourbusiness.com. Heading back, so once you find out what niche you want to promote, looking for different digital products, we head over to this website, Capterra. You probably heard of it. If not, just type in Google Capterra and go over there. Now, this website has tons and tons of softwares that you can promote, such as accounting, CRM, email marketing software, and the list goes on and on. These are all digital products that you can promote. And for this video, I'm going to choose the CRM software. So I click on the CRM software, and I see you have about 1,758. Now, I'm not going to go through all of that. So I'm going to do is, what you can do is you can filter out some of them, whereas you can look at free version. You want to promote with only English, and uh, you know, uh, 4 stars, something like that. So that'll filter down, and then what you want to do is you want to pick at least 5 to 10 different software in this category, and you'll know why to go ahead. So let's dive in, do some search on each of these software, and let's pick 5 and 10 of them which satisfy us. Now, these softwares should have affiliate program, and the affiliate program should be run by the company itself. Shouldn't be these affiliate programs shouldn't be on these affiliate platforms such as Carousel, Clickbank, and Partner, and on and on. So uh, make sure that is one of the conditions in order for this system to work. These affiliate programs has to be self-hosted by the company. So let's go and start searching on these companies. So after searching it, I've picked 3 of them, and let's see if each of them will fulfill our next condition, which is their affiliate terms and conditions. So let's go with the I have these tabs filled up. So the first one is the Fresh Works affiliate. Let's go to their terms and conditions. And what we want to do is we want to know if are we able to promote this program bidding on their keywords. So what we do is Control F and just put in keyword. Okay, so not run any pay-per-click campaign on Clickboard, so this is out of it. The next one we go to is Monday. Join now. So let's say terms and right. So we do the same thing, Control F, and look for the keywords. We're not there, and bid. Okay, so that it's there, so we cannot bid. Partnership for okay, so that is out of the question. Now let's go to Zoho, and we do the, let's go to the terms of service, and again we click on Control F, bid, we have nothing, keyword, nothing. Okay, so out of that, so far we got rid of this, HubSpot, no, Fresh, and Monday. And we narrowed down to Zoho, right? So this is their website. This is the CRM, and their terms and conditions fulfill what we're looking for. So we are able to bid on it. Now the next thing we want to do is we actually want to find out how much competition there is in terms of bidding it. So what we do is I open another tab and let's go to their website and see if they have any of them running an ad. So right now there's no one running the ad on Google AdWords, so no competition at all. Second of all, we can bid on the keywords, and the affiliate program is run by the company itself. It's not on other affiliate platforms, so that's pretty good. So it falls under, this is the what we're looking for it in order for this method to work. A company with their own affiliate program, we are allowed to bid so that we don't worry about audience, and no one else is running a Google ad for it. Sorry. So that's good. Now the next thing we got to head over to is setting up our Google's ad for this company and start running Google ads. Now before I show you that, those of you watching this video, like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel. If you learned something new, such as this method where you can quickly start making money without any audience at all. All right, so now we head over to the Google ad. So what we go into is Google Ads and we do the new campaign. What we want to do is we want to create a Google campaign that we're going to drive website traffic to this. So we click on the traffic and then we continue and we do the search campaign. We click on search and the website address. So we have it here. And you can just put Google Ads Zoho, right? Okay, and you can also put your affiliate link here. Once you go and apply for affiliate program, and once you get approved, just put your affiliate link here. Don't put any redirects, just straight your affiliate rank. So it'll be zoho.com and then your affiliate link. Just put that straight. Google doesn't like any redirects. What you want to focus on is the clicks, and then you want to do is set a maximum cost plus click. So how much you are willing to spend. Let's say you're testing it, so you want to spend $1. That's the most you want to spend on per click, or 50 cents, whatever you're comfortable with, because this is just a test period and you want to see what it is. So whatever you're comfortable with, I'll go for $1 and see how it is. And then only bid for limits. So this is just if there are new people coming in, or you want to bidding it only for other people who will come back to the search. So I'll leave this. I don't take this off. Next. And I get rid of the display. I just want the search network. Location. Now it just where exactly you want your ads to be shown, right? You can have it all over countries or certain countries. Now, what I usually do is I at least put, the top 5 countries where you have a better chance of getting sales, which is US, Canada, Australia, UK, and New Zealand. So I put those ones, and then I add other countries if you wanted to. So location. So enter another location, and then you put USA, right? And then you can put. Now you can have more countries. Yeah, this is just you should have these countries plus more, whatever you want. Select the language. I'll put English. Leave it as it is, and then we click on more settings. This is for the ads. We leave it as is. Next. Okay. So now next one is the keyword suggestions, right? So we already put in the website, and what is Google did is crawled it and it came up with all of these um, keywords that you can target for your for your campaign. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to start building ad so that final and then make sure your final URL is your affiliate link, right? So you go in there. Um, so you can just put Zoho CRM, and you want your ad strength to become, from poor just to become much better. Um, so what I do is you look at the keywords that you're targeting, right? And you put your ads similar. You should have all the keywords. So what I do usually do is I copy this and then put it on the Google Doc, and I can have more than one ad running with targeting that keyword. And I just put Zoho. So um, is it Zoho CRM? Zoho, right? So just put that. And then you want a phrase match or broad match or, exact keyword. So that if you want the exact, this is what is going to be the exact one, right? And but since we are starting it, we'll just put you know broad match and go from there. And then later on, we need to adjust it, right? Now, so these are all the headlines that Google created. You can add, you can subtract, and put your own um, ad, right? And then you do is this is this is the description. It's already given to you from the Google. You can change it, but I make sure it's within the 90 characters. So you can just put this CRM, try now, and then you can go back there and see if they have 15 days free trial, right? So you can also put that into your right, and then images, I stay away from there because you don't know what sort of image you're allowed to use it. I don't use that. Business logo, leave it there. Then the callouts and site links. Callout, you can do the callouts where it says 15-day free trial. You can add you know, um, I guess they also have their, in terms of, you cancel it, how many days you get your money back. You can use that all in one CRM as some sort of assets, that will make clients add on, click on your ads. So do that. Next, we look at the average. How much money you want to spend per day. So let's say we want to spend $10, just looking at 156. Now Google also tells you what their estimate is. So you don't have to go with them, but if you want to, you can, or just put $10. It's just a start. And let me go to the next one. Just looking for any errors, you have it. If not, it's going to say it's ready to publish, and you can publish this. Now, those of you who are still watching this video, hope you like this video. If you do, and if you learned something new, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel for any of new tricks on how to make money easily, quickly with affiliate marketing. See you later. Bye.